Hello viewers, in previous lecture we have discussed about the stratigraphy of Upper Indus Basin. So in Upper Indus Basin we have briefly discussed and described about the 9 groups and 31 formations of the Upper Indus Basin. So now today we will study about the stratigraphy of Lower Indus Basin. The boundary between Upper and Lower Indus Basin is Sargodha height. So above Sargodha height there are Upper Indus Basin and below Sargodha height there are Lower Indus Basin. And we have discussed in detail about the Sargodha height in previous lectures. So in Lower Indus Basin there are mainly 4 groups. Their name is Khanozai group, Ferozabad group, jhal group and Ranikot group. And the age which is started from in Upper Indus Basin is Triassic age, so the Lower Indus Basin is started from Triassic age. So the first group in a Lower Indus Basin is Khanozai group, and the formation in Khanozai group is only one. So there are only one formation in Khanozai group and their name is Wulgai formation, Wulgai Wulgai formation, and the lithology of the Wulgai formation is sandstone, limestone and shale. In the age of the Khanozai group is Triassic age, and after that there are Ferozabad group. In the age of the Ferozabad group is Jurassic, and there are 3 formations in Ferozabad group: Shirinab formation, Shirinab. So it is called Shirinab formation, and the lithology of the Shirinab formation is sandstone and limestone. The second formation in Ferozabad group is Chilton formation, and the lithology of the Chilton formation is limestone. And the last formation in the Ferozabad group is Mazardrik formation, Mazardrik. So it is called Mazardrik formation, and the lithology is shale. And so it is all about the Ferozabad group, and the age of the Ferozabad group is Jurassic. After Ferozabad group there are jhal group, Monajhal, jhal group, and the age of the jhal group is Cretaceous. And the jhal group is started from Sembar formation, and the main lithology of the Sembar formation is shale. And the Sembar formation is very well known in the Lower Indus Basin due to their petroleum potential, and it is also a very important source rock, and it is the main source rock for the petroleum point of view in the Lower Indus Basin. So it is the main source rock formation in Lower Indus Basin. After Sembar formation there are Goru formation, and in Goru formation the main lithology is sandstone, and it is the main reservoir rock of the Lower Indus Basin. After Goru formation there are Parh formation. In Parh formation the main lithology is limestone, and after that there are Mughal formation, and it is also a reservoir in the Lower Indus Basin in petroleum point of view. And Mughal formation consists limestone, sandstone and shale. After Mughal there are 4 munro formations, and it consists limestone and marl. And after 4 munro formation there are puff sandstone. In puff sandstone, as you know that the name of the formation is puff sandstone, so the main lithology is sandstone. It is also the reservoir rock in the Lower Indus Basin. After puff formation there are Moro formation. So it is all about the jhal group, and the age of the jhal group is Cretaceous. After that there are Ranikot group, and the age of the Ranikot group is paleocene. There are 3 formations. First is Khadro formation, and after that bara formation. After bara formation there are Lakhi formation. In Khadro formation the lithology is sandstone, and in Lakhi formation the lithology is limestone. And the eocene age started in the Lakhi formation and Kirthar formation. So after Lakha formation there are Lakhi formation, and their age is Eocene, and the main lithology of the Lakhi formation is limestone. After limestone and Lakhi formation there are Kirthar formation. In Kirthar formation also the lithology is limestone. Kirthar formation there are graphic limestone which is used for the decoration purpose. So the age of the Kirthar formation is also Eocene. After Kirthar formation there are Nari formation, and the lithology of the Nari formation is sandstone, and the age of the Nari formation is oligocene. And after Nari formation there are Gaj formation, and lithology is limestone, and the age of the Gaj formation is Miocene. So after Miocene age and Gaj formation there are Siwaliks. In Siwaliks the main lithology is sandstone, and the age is Pliocene. And after that Pliocene there are Pleistocene, and the Leak conglomerate is the most recent in the lower Indus Basin also. As you know that in upper Indus Basin also Leak conglomerate is the most recent rocks in upper Indus Basin, and there are in lower Indus Basin the Leak conglomerate is the most recent bedrock or formation, you can say formation or bedrock, and the age of the Leak conglomerate is Pleistocene. So viewers, it is all about the lower Indus Basin, and I hope you will enjoy all of this information as a student of geology or the professional geologist. So please wait for the next video for more information about geology. Thank you.